Good morning, students. As we are discussing the chapter matter, we have already discussed about the matter and its states. There are three states of matter that are different from each other in terms of particle, shape, volume. These three states are solid, liquid, and gas. Today we are discussing about changing states of matter, means how these three states change into one another, means how solid change into liquid and liquid change into gas. Suppose I am giving you very simple example. Ice is a solid. Ice will change into the water by the melting process. When we melt the ice, then the solid particles that are very close to each other, they will now move away from each other. That is known as the liquid, means ice is converted into the liquid. And when we boil the liquid, then their particle will more far from each other, and then this liquid is converted into the gas, and this process is known as evaporation process. So this is the changing state of matter. Now the question is, can we convert back the gas into the solid or gas into the liquid, or can we convert liquid into solid? Yes, we can convert the liquid, means water, into the ice by freezing it, or we can convert the steam into the liquid by condensation, or we can convert the steam directly into the solid by sublimation process. Okay, so this is all about the changing states of matter. Very easy example is ice change into the water, water change into the steam or gas, or we can convert back to the water vapors into the water and water into the ice. Okay, now the next topic is we have convert the, means we can classify the matter into three states: solid, liquid, and gas. That is the physical classification, means on the basis of the particle size, but on the basis of chemical composition, means matter contain what actually. Suppose if I am taking the example of a pen, pen contain what? Plastic. Plastic is made up of what? Chemicals. So this is the chemical classification. Ice, water, it contain what? Chemicals. So your sketch pen ink, that contain what? Chemicals. So that is the chemical classification of matter. So we can classify the chemically matter into two types. One is the pure substance and second is the mixture. Two types are, one is pure substance and second is the mixture. Pure means that is pure. Suppose your milkman is giving you the milk, that is pure, means it does not contain any water, that is pure, 100% pure. But if I am giving you, or your milkman is giving you the water in milk or milk in water, means that is the mixture, means that is not pure, it contains the mixture of two things or many things. So the two classification are pure substance and second one is the mixture. We can further classify the pure substance into two categories. One is the element and second is the compound. One is element, second is compound. And mixture into further two categories: homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. So what is pure substance? Pure substance means a substance that cannot be physically separated any further into other substance. Means you cannot find any impurities into it. Means you cannot find any water in the pure milk sample. That is the pure substance. Pure substance has two categories. One is the element and second one is the compound. Element is that is made up of only one kind of atom. Now first of all you should know the meaning of the term atom. Atom is the smallest unit. Suppose you have chalk. You crush the chalk and you see that a single particle of the chalk is known as the atom. If you combine two chalk particles, then it is known as the molecule. Suppose you have one blank page and you are painted this blank page with the yellow sketch. That is element, means your paper is pure yellow color. If you color this yellow color paper with the orange sketch, then the color of the paper will change. Means you add some other substance into it, means a new mixture is created. That is known as the mixture. Suppose your mama is giving you a milkshake. Milkshake is actually a or mango shake. Mango shake is actually a mixture of mango plus milk plus sugar plus dry fruits. That is mixture. If your mama is giving only you the milk, that is what? That is pure substance. So students, what we have read today about the classification of matter into pure substance and mixture, and we can further classify the pure substance into elements and compounds. So you have to read the element topic. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, then call me or message me. Okay.